Daddy
and
Kittens! Sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry.
Hi everyone! Today we will make spinning top toys. To make spinning top toys we need 2 skewer sticks, 2 toothpicks, nail clipper, acrylic markers and white clay. Are you ready? Go, go, go! Ouch! Ouch! 10 hours later. We go back. Ouch! Ouch!
Daddy.
Yes.
We need fight ring.
Fight ring.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. To make a fight ring, we need cardboard, ruler, scissors. These scissors are safe, so you don't need parents around. Pencil, sticky tape, and something's round so we can redraw the shape. Let's start.
Daddy,
Yes.
they cannot fight.
Okay, so we have to find out different way.
Yeah.
Okay, let's build up our taps. 10 minutes later. Okay, Daddy now. Yeah, you cut your fingers. Oh, my finger. Let's go.
My woman.
I'm doing.
Ready to go.
Who's the winner?
Sponsored by IQ English.